guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So I have this quick review on this Amazon wig. I tried another one back in January that was a little bit shorter, but this one is longer. If you're interested in hearing about this wig and my thoughts, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm trying another Amazon headband wig, and this is synthetic. I tried one in January, very pretty. It had like a kinky, it kind of looked like Outre Tammy from back in the day. So it had ringlets at the end. It was very cute, but it did tangle up pretty bad. But I still liked it. It's just, it tangled up very bad. So I got a very similar wig, but I got it in a longer length. So I am going to try it out. The one I got a few months back was a lot shorter than this. I think it was 18 inches. This one might be 26. If I'm not mistaken. So this is what this one looks like. It's super long and it has some highlights in there. Super long, has the highlights, has the ringlets at the end, has a headband on the front. You got two small combs in the front, and then you have a Velcro headband, adjustable straps, and a smaller comb in the back. No drawstring at all. So I already have my natural hair. It's prepped for leave out with a curly wig. So I just have that underneath this, and then I have my edges already laid down. So I'm just going to put those two combs in. Ooh. The way they have these constructed is different than what the headband wigs were like in 2020. This is, well, no, it's not. It's not. It's the same. All right, so this is what it looks like just fresh out the pack. It's a lot of hair, y'all. It's very long, a lot of hair. I'm 6 feet tall, and this is where it falls on me. It's like, I will say like underneath my boob. But I feel like this is a good length for summertime. It's a lot of hair, but I feel like if you wear this with like tank tops and maxi dresses, it gives earthy girl vibes. Let's see. I see a headband right here. Let me try it with this one. I mean, you could wear it with the black headband that comes with it, but I just feel like it looks better to do a different one. So I'm just going to slip this over my head. It will tangle up badly. So just keep that in mind with these wigs, because I already told you I have the shorter version, and it eventually did tangle up really bad, but it's so cute for a look. But I don't think I would wear it all to the front. Maybe one side in the front and the other one to the back, because it is so much hair. But this is a vibe. I don't know if I like it with this headband, so I need to find something more earthy looking. But this is what it looks like. Show more of my hairline.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury.
I don't know if I like this headband with it. Let's see what else I have over here. This is a scarf that I got from Shein. I'm going to cover my whole head with this and just have the hair sticking out from the bottom.
Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shite on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, oh, luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds. Luxury. Every day I'm alive. It's giving lux.
Okay, so I think this is cute with this particular headband opposed to the navy one I had on. It just goes better with, I guess, my whole look. This is a super long wig. It is going to tangle. The shorter one tangled, so I can only imagine how this is going to be. This is not going to be for everybody, but I do like how natural the texture looks, and I like that it's finished with the curls at the end. I think that's really, really pretty, but it's going to tangle a lot. But it's a vibe, though. And sometimes I just want a synthetic wig for a vibe. So it works for me. So I'll have this link for you guys if you are interested in picking up this wig from Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Hype this video up, drop me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.
I'm serving rich auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me.